Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm posting the monthly challenge for November 2023. Each month I'll post a theme and show a project I made using the theme and showcase a new set of colored dewdrops. All the dewdrops are currently available on my Etsy shop, or if you are a regular purchaser of mine, you can direct message me for a direct purchase. I would appreciate that so much. It does save me on Etsy fees. You do not have to mail in your project or use dewdrops. To enter, you have to do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect, use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge, leave a comment, and be a subscriber. For the November challenge, it is going to be Christmas or use the colors red and green. This challenge will be open until December 31st, 2023. I will not have a new release for the month of December. I will be releasing a new set of colors in January. So this one will go until December 31st, 2023. I will be picking a winner in January 2024, which is crazy. This month I have decided only to do a 4-color release. I still have some Pastel Christmas from my 2022 release. And since I still have some of these, I decided not to do a new release of Pastel Christmas. I have 5 left of the Pastel Christmas, and we have a frosted yellow, a frosted pink, a frosted purpley, and a very light frosted peach. I just have a sample of some standard Christmas colors there. There are 5 still available in my shop, and these were a limited edition, so when these are gone, they're gone. So if you are interested in the pastel, you can scoop up one of the Pastel Christmas that's posted, or the Pastel Halloween, which is these colors, which also work great for Pastel Christmas. We have the blue, the green, the pink, and the orange. So if you are interested in pastel colors, there are still a few available on my Etsy shop. For the release this month, these ones are glittered, so there may be some glitter residue in your little baggies, and that is normal. They do have glitter on them. We have this gorgeous Grinch green, and we have this Rudolph red, and also this one is also glittered. We have the golden gold, also glittered, and I've never released color like this before. This is the Snowball Silver. This is glittered as well, frost powder on it, so you may see some of that residue in your bag as well. I will say this is the one and only time I will ever release this color. This color was too hard to make, and so when this is sold out, this color will no longer be available. Those are the 4 colors for the November 2023 challenge. This challenge is going to be open until December 31st, until my next challenge, which will be in January. You may enter as often as you would like. The prize is a bag of dewdrops, and here is the prize for the November and December entries. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram, DoubleClick Connect. This is a great way to use your stash. You may enter any project using the theme. To find some new crafty friends, just search the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge. Okay, and this is the project that I made for this challenge. I'm so happy with how it came out. I recently hauled this icicle die from Temu. This is the Tim Holtz snowman, and I just have him layered up on some fun foam. I glued some tiny glitter stars. I used some stickles, and then here are the snowball dewdrops. They just give that extra little touch to the projects, and I use a little tiny word sticker that says Winter Wonderland. And that is my entry for this month's challenge. To recap, I have 5 of the Pastel Christmases from 2022 still available in my shop, and these were a limited edition, so when those 5 are gone, these will no longer be available. This is the prize for the November and December entries, and I will draw a winner in January. This is the new release currently available in my Etsy shop. We have the Grinch green, the Rudolph red, the gold, and the silver snowballs. I would like to thank everyone that has been entering my challenges and purchasing my dewdrops. I appreciate everyone's support so very much. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room, and have a great day. Bye, guys.